In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. This feature actually also works for iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max users. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings and then scroll down until you find Accessibility. Once you get in here, then just tap right there at Motion, and then somewhere here near the bottom you will find the option which is called Limit Frame Rate. If this option is turned on, it means that currently your frame rate is limited to 60 FPS. And now to enable 120 Hz refresh rate, all we have to do is just turn this feature off, just like that. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.